Can you guys believe it? We made it to day number 17. We're over halfway there. That's pretty cool. This is gonna be way too noisy, but I'm gonna do it anyways. It should be interesting. I'm gonna make it really quick. Got a little fog and a little sunshine. Should be early enough. There's no golfers, but I do hear some sort of tractor or something I think is out there. We're gonna find out. I will try to talk loud, which will make me look even more suspicious. Maybe not. There's a lot of homeless around here. Maybe they'll think I'm homeless. All right, here we go. We are armed, and there's a couple of hot air balloons in the air, but they're way up in the air. This is cool. I don't know how good my video will be if I get over here. It's alright, yeah, it's alright. See the guy over there. And there, I'm back to where I'm at. This goes way down through there. I just don't know how good my video will be because there's all these little hills. What's up, guys? Try to go down through here a little way. Yeah, there's a little dents over here. Probably wouldn't be good. Get through there. There's people over there. Here I am. And there I am again. Trees. Well, I feel like hitting again. These are fun. Pretty fun to do. A little sketchy. That is for sure. Definitely sketchy. Flying through here, right next to the road. You can see all the cars going through there.
20 seconds.
I turn my head. You see me? I turn my head. That's his ground. Cool place. Just in not a great spot to fly. Oh, got dripped on me. Tree dripped on me. Gaps with the trees.
8, 7.
There's some straggling there. Maybe not.
5.
Too bad.
4.
There, a golf cart.
3.
Following.
2. 1. Timer 1 lap.
Alright, I better land. That was fun. How you guys doing? Alright guys, hope you enjoyed day number 17. Had a little fun interaction with one of the groundskeepers. They thought it was really cool. You guys have a great day, and I will see you guys tomorrow for day number 18. Never stop flying, guys.